Are you looking to learn data structures but gone bored with the traditional way? Come with me. I'll show you a visualized way of learning data structures very easily. But before diving into that, please subscribe my channel and like to get more updates on several videos. Come with me. Here is a portal visualgo.net where you can find visualizations for data structures. See the list of various data structures such as arrays, linked lists, sorting techniques, graphs, trees and other data structures. Let's see an example on sorting. So I'll click on sorting here. We'll delve into it and see how it works. So here I chose bubble sort. Click on create and select a number of elements where I selected n equal to 10 and the elements on random. So it now generates a list. Now click on the sort. Now see the elements are compared with each element following the principle of bubble sort. Now here you see the sequence of steps that are being done for each and every sorting done here. So this is how a visualgo.net visualization shows you how sorting and other data structure elements perform in the background. See, now the list has been sorted and it shows you the number of iterations it has taken and so